Here are 9 tips about the E2 visa for Canadians. Number 1, eligibility. Canadian citizens are eligible for the E2 visa because Canada has a valid treaty of commerce and navigation with the United States, which has been in effect since January 1st, 1994. This treaty status allows Canadian investors to apply for the E2 visa to invest in and manage businesses in the United States. 2, investment requirements. There is no set minimum investment amount for the E2 visa, but the investment must be considered substantial relative to the total cost of either establishing or purchasing the business. While some sources suggest investment starting from $100,000, it's more about the proportion of the investment to the cost of the business. Lower investments have been approved in the past, especially for businesses with lower operational costs. 3, business viability. The business must not be marginal. That is, it should generate more than just enough income to support the investor and their family. It needs to demonstrate potential economic impact, often through job creation for U.S. workers. The enterprise must also be real, active, and involved in producing services or goods for profit. 4, validity and renewal. For Canadian citizens, the E2 visa is typically issued for a maximum validity of 5 years. After this period, the visa can be renewed indefinitely as long as the business continues to operate successfully. Each entry into the U.S. on an E2 visa grants a stay of up to 2 years, which can be extended without needing to leave the country. Okay, 5, family benefits. Spouses and unmarried children under 21 of E2 visa holders can also receive E2 visas. Spouses are eligible for employment authorization, allowing them to work in the U.S. for whomever they please, while children can attend school. Dependents do not need to be Canadian citizens as long as the principal E2 visa applicant is. 6, high approval rate. When applied for with the help of a competent U.S. immigration attorney, the E2 visa has a high approval rate, particularly in Canada, where the consular officers are experienced with these applications. This, combined with the economic benefits the U.S. gains from foreign investment, contributes to a generally favorable outlook for Canadian applicants. 7, non-immigrant status. The E2 visa is a non-immigrant visa, meaning it does not directly lead to permanent residency or a green card. However, it provides a pathway for investors to be in the U.S. long-term, potentially exploring other immigration options over time. 8, investment flexibility. Canadian investors can either buy a franchise, an existing business, or start a new business, that is. The business must be an active commercial enterprise, not passive or speculative like real estate flipping. This flexibility allows for diverse business opportunities. And 9, commitment of funds. Before applying, the investment must be irrevocably committed or at risk. This could mean the funds are already invested or placed in escrow, contingent on visa approval. This commitment demonstrates the investor's dedication to the business's success. These 9 points highlight the unique aspects and benefits of the E2 visa for Canadian investors, making it a potentially attractive option for those looking to expand their business into the U.S. market. I'm Joseph Bovino, U.S. immigration and business attorney, specializing in E2 investor visas on behalf of clients worldwide. Use the link in my bio to contact me directly or schedule a consultation. Otherwise, share your thoughts below and follow for more.